Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2-minute parasha. In this week's Sidra of Emor, we read about the mitzvah of the counting of the Omer, which is quite fortuitous because the counting of the Omer always falls out during this parashat Emor. Today, in fact, is Lag BaOmer, the 33rd and most famous day of the Omer. And the idea of the Omer is that we are counting from Pesach to Shavuot. And it's not entirely clear what it is that we are counting. The Sefer HaChinuch says that we are counting towards Shavuot. Really, he says we should count down towards Shavuot, but if you start with 49, it seems like such a long way to go. So therefore, we start counting up, so it makes it a little more palatable. But the Ishbitzer Rebbe, Rabbi Mordechai Yosef Leiner, says we're really counting something else. We are counting the greatness of the spiritual value that we had from Pesach. You see, Pesach is the month of our redemption. Pesach is when Hashem took us out of Egypt, and it contained within Pesach is the seeds of all future redemptions. And so on Pesach, we got the greatest gift of this incredible spiritual freedom that we were given. But it takes us time to truly appreciate and absorb the value of this freedom. The analogy he gives is to a father walking along with his son, and they discover a great treasure, but they have only limited time to take it. And the son turns to his father with a handful of diamonds and rubies and sapphires and says, "Father, how much are these worth?" And the father says, "Wait, take as much as you can, and when we get home, we'll begin to count it." And he takes as much as they can, and when they get home, the son starts asking. The father says, "Well, this is worth 20,000 rand, this is worth 50,000 rand, this is worth 100,000 rand." And they start counting the value of what it was that they acquired. So too says the Ishbitzer during Pesach. We take in all of the holiness that we can from this great time. And every day we count more of the great value that we took from Pesach. And once we have truly gained some appreciation of the greatness of the spiritual gift, then we are ready for Shavuot. Shabbat Shalom.